to my YouTube channel Craftomania. Today I have two special guests. They are...
Hi guys, I'm Madhulika. Hi guys, I'm Kritika and we are from the Wiz Angels.
So in this video I am going to make the Among Us tasks in real life, and please check out their video in which we have played Among Us in real life with more of our friends.
Hey, I'm Som. Hey, I'm Sam.
So, before we begin, I would request all of you, please like, share and subscribe, and also subscribe to their channel. So let's begin. So now we are going to make the chart course from navigation in skilled from Among Us. So first I have drawn this. Now I'm going to color it fully light blue and put a grey color border. I have colored it. Now I'm going to cut the line which I had drawn. So now I have colored this box and I have taken a cart or wheel which I am going to put it right through this. So this task is fully ready to be played. So when you are going to play it, then you have to hold this and do it like this all the way till here, and the task will be complete. So we have done making the chart course. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and also to the Wiz Angels. I'll be back soon with another interesting video. Till then, bye!